members of Utkalika and guests present here. Now I would like to invite Utkalika President Dr. Basant Kumar Kabir to start the program.
Adab, Pranam, Sat Sri Akal, Aabhar. Primarily, this festival is called Raja for the guests who are not from Odisha, or the spouses, those who are not from Odisha. I must tell this festival is primarily to celebrate the womanhood. This symbolizes the mother earth, goes for a cyclic period on this particular 3 days. That is how we celebrate Vasudha. And that is the reasons women are not expected to cook anything. Men folk will take care of everything here. So that means since time memorial, we had women empowerment, which we talk lot of the things nowadays, but it was enshrined in our doctrine much before. सबु छोटा छोटा पिला भाउज भाई समस्त उत्कलिका परिवार को मु आज रज कार्यक्रम में स्वागत करुछि। जदिव रज शेष हो जाइए आज वसुधा पूजा, तथापि आज समस्ते आम ये एकत्रित होती रज को सेलिब्रेट करवा। The famous Odoshi troupe would like to call up on stage their choreographer, director, everything, a multifaceted personality, Mrs. Bhavana Sagar Naik, to be here and receive the token of love in form of memento and the certificates. Give a big round of applause to it. As the team is here, we would like to also felicitate them.
Simran Dakwa, please give a big round of applause. Tanvi Gopal.
This time when I performed Odissi, I had all Malayali kids, with Simran being half Oriya and half Malayali. I want to see all the Oriya kids dance with me next time. I am myself not a Oriya, but I'm really attached to Odisha a lot. लेकिन Odissi मुझे 24 साल हो गए हैं, मैं अभी तक प्रैक्टिस कर रही हूँ.
Thank you so much.
कतार रे फसिथिबा ओडिया युवक विष्णु डाकुआ आसंता काली ओडिशा फिरुछन्ते। दोहा विमान बंदरु कोलकाता रे पहुंचिबे विष्णु, सेठारु रेल जोगे ओडिशा रे पहुंचिबे। गंजाम रो खलिकोट रो विष्णु एक वीडियो जरिया रे कतार रे फसिथिबा जणाइथिले। एही खबर प्रथमे कनक न्यूज रे प्रसारण होइथिला। एहा परे सेठारे थिबा ओडिया संगठन उत्कलिका कतार तांकर सहयोगर हाथ बढ़ाइथिला। एपरिकी विमान टिकेट करदेबा सहित खर्च दे विष्णु को ओडिशा पठाइछि एही संगठन।
The boy or our fellow Odia who could able to give a supportive hand, and actually he did practically everything. He is with us. Mr. Sipun Kumar Mohanty would also like to have Sipun here to appreciate with a token of love. Sipun, एमती बातों का नाम करो था। मोदी अपने जीवन में आपको खबर दिया, बहुत धन्यवाद। The big fat elephant of Utkalika family, Anshuman, wherever you are, please be here. Thank you so much. Deepak Dada, it's our gratitude to honor you. We cannot honor you otherwise, but we thought this is the right opportunity. So sir, if you can hand over the token of love. It was so nice. Day and night you work for Utkalika and we know.
So for me this is first of its kind, and good to know that you are celebrating for 3 days this festival.
आज रज उपलक्षे उत्कलिका तरफ आमर सब भाई भाई मैंने भाउज मैंने सब बढ़िया बढ़िया व्यंजन बनई आनी आमर ओडिशार ट्रेडिशन व्यंजन ये मिलवा आसतु एवं सब व्यंजन स्वाद को उपलब्ध करंतु। एबे देखिवा दही बरार टेस्टा केमिति अछि सेउ पकैचंदी गुगुन भी पड़ची मैं दही बरा टिके आलू टिके गुगुन टिके नहीं टेस्ट अरे वाह बढ़िया दही बरा संग को जो आलू दम जो मसाला टेस्ट भाई एटा कोन मटन खासी खासी झोल खासी काई खासी रे गोटे गंठीटा देखै देले